Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel AMV Dream Education Lab. Hope you all are fit and fine. So our today's class is about the correct pronunciation of the English alphabet. Pronunciation is really a tough matter. People said every two people don't speak the same. So it's really a great challenge to all of us. I'll start our lesson by learning the English pronunciation of the English alphabet, the ABCs. And I will pronounce each letter of English alphabet and you will pronounce after me. So let's get on with it. So start from there. This letter sounds like A, not A, but A. This one, B, B. This one, C, C. And this one, D. This one, E. Look at my lips, like a bit smiling. E. This one, F. Look at my lips. F. This one, G. Start from here. H. This one, I. This one, J. This one, K. This one, L. This one, M. This one, N. This letter, O. Look at my lips, like round. O. This letter, P. This one, Q. This one, R. In British English, the sound like R. This one, S. This one, T. This one sound like U. This letter, V. This one, W. This letter, X. Not X, but X. This one, Y. And this one, Z. Z in British English sounds like Z, and in American it sounds like Z. Z.